is binary subtraction. In the previous video, I explained binary addition and multiplication. The third one is binary subtraction. And before we start the subtraction, we have to check the rules how we can do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 gives 0. 0 minus 1 gives 1. And we have to take borrow from the next digit. This is slightly different. Rest 3 are same. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here we cannot subtract any digit from 0. So in normal subtraction also we used to take borrow. So in this also we have to take borrow from the next digit. I'll explain this in this example. You will come to know how to take borrow. Now let's start this example. 1 1 0 minus 1 1. Now we have to subtract 1 from the 0, but directly the subtraction is not possible. We have to take borrow from this one. This will become 0 and this will become 1 0. Whenever we borrow, that 0 becomes 1 0. Keep this in your mind. Now when we subtract 1 from this 1 0, it will become 1. Then 0 from 1, it is 1 from 0, it is again not possible. So take borrow from this will become 0 and this will become 1 0. Again 1 0 minus 1 is 1 and this is 0. Like this we can take borrow from the next digit. Now one more example is here. Here we have two zeros one after another. Now how to take borrow in this case? This is slightly different. Means when we subtract this 1 from the 0, it is not possible. We have to take borrow from this, but again this is 0. We cannot subtract, we cannot borrow number here. So we have to borrow from this. Make it 0 and this will become 1 0. Now this 1 0 in binary number system, 1 0 represents 2 in decimal number system. So if this is 2, what we can do, we can take 1 borrow from here. This will become 1 and this will become 1. Means when we take 1 borrow from this number to this one, this will become 1 0 and the left is 1 only. Here only 1 will be left. Now when we will subtract 1 0 minus 1, it will become 1. 1 minus 1 will become 0. This will become 0 and this is 1. So one thing you have to keep in mind is whenever we have to subtract 1 from 0, take borrow from the next number and that 0 will become 1 0. So this 1 0 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, but we will write it as 1 0. Now this students, the fourth one is binary division. Means division we have to do in this one. Before starting this division, let's check the rules. 0 divided by 0 will become 0. 0 divided by 1 will give you 0. 1 divided by 0 is 0. But when we divide 1 by 1, it will give you 1. Right? So, how to divide now? As we divide in normal division, the rule are same. The way of division is same. This is 1 0. We have to take these two digits initially. Now when we will divide this 1 1 by 1 0, divided by 1. 1 0 into 1 is 1 0. Subtract this one with this, you will get 1. Now put this number 1 down. 1 1. Again 1 0 into 1 is 1 0 and again you will get remainder 1. So this is your quotient, this is your remainder. Like this we can divide in binary division. One more example for you all is we will divide 1 1 0 1 with 1 0. Again take first two numbers. This one 1 0 into 1 is 1 0. Means now when we will subtract these, we will get 1 here. Right? As we did in earlier. Now put this 0 down. This will become 1 0. Now this will go with 1. So 1 0 into 1 is 1. So this will be 0 and this one will be written here. As this 1 is is smaller than this, so we cannot divide it further, and we have to put one 0 here. Right? So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Like this you can do division. You can practice as many questions from your book. I am also giving you one exercise on all these four arithmetic operators. You can practice those questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime, right? And on Wednesday we will provide you the solution. You can check your questions and then you have to do all those questions in your computer notebook. So students, stay safe, stay home.